Hello, so actually I'm going to unbox the rest of it. If you saw the last video, I unboxed these two guys, but then after considering it, I'm going to unbox the other ones. I've saved one for my friend, but this box actually came squished, so I'm going to start off with this one in the back. And what do we have? Oh my god! It's another side-to-side eye! So cute! Okay, this one, I've been finding that for this series, the little decorations they have on their ears are kind of just like haphazardly put wherever. Like this one's put up here, this one's put down there. They're not always at the bottom. Not sure why that is. Maybe it's just a QC problem. And this is how it looks like. The little bunny and a rabbit makeup. On the back of it looks like this. It has a knitted sweater dress on. Super cute. Alright, and it smells like... all of these smell about the same. This one's a bit more floral than the other two. The other two is a bit more sweet, but about the same. So let's put this one back in here. Alright. Oh wow, this outfit's so cool. I didn't realize it was like a checkered pattern pants. Another sweater. Oh, this one looks a bit like a Snow White vibe. Very cute. And here we go. Oh, it's opposite. The clover is on the black side, but here you have it on the star on the black side, and the clover is on the white side. Interesting. Oh, I didn't even realize it has crying eyes. So cute. Actually, let's go take a look at the card for this one. And she's got this, which matches star and bow, but it is a bit lopsided. All right. Last one. Where is the pull tab here? Not that it really matters because these pull tabs are kind of really bad. So it makes it really hard to open the boxes. If you're opening up a bunch of sets at once, then I would not recommend doing it with your hands. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's green! I didn't even realize it was green. There's a green option? Let's take a quick look. Oh, it's this one up here. I didn't realize that was green. I thought that was like a yellow, like a really, really dark yellow. Okay, that's really cool. Let's set her down here and let's grab the card. This is the card. So 2 stars and a little cherry outfit. Oh my gosh, and it's another crying eyes one. This one's so cute. I didn't realize that this one, it's kind of gothic. It's giving like Beetlejuice vibes. So in this set, other than the one that I haven't unboxed, we have 3 special eyes here. 2 that are crying, one that has the little bear inside, but then also has 2 different colored eyelashes. And then you have 2 side-to-side eyes. No googly eyes this time. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.